Hey Hip Chicks, I was at the National Hardware Show a couple weeks ago. I flew out to Vegas so I could check out all of the new products that are on the market. And I have to tell you, I found some really awesome products. So make sure that you like and subscribe because I'm going to be sharing more of those products in the next couple weeks. But I went out there to look for products that will help you and me get our projects done with less time, less effort, and for us DIYers of a certain age, us 50-plussers like me, it's great to know that there are some products out there that can save a little bit of wear and tear on our bodies when we're trying to get projects done. So the first thing I want to show you is bucket grips. I love this. Bucket Grips is a great company. I got to know the owner, Adam, and he's just a great guy. So what this is a set of plastic handles that goes on a 5-gallon bucket. Because if you've ever tried to carry a heavy load with this in your hand, it's killing your palm, it's damaging your fingers because you're all cramped up, and it's really heavy. And the whole handle can break off if it's too much weight. So the bucket grip is a plastic grip that clips onto the side of the bucket. Now it fits probably 90% of buckets with this style of plastic configuration, and they just snap right on. So they come in a pair. You get 2 of them, roughly $10. You can get them directly from bucketgrips.com, or you can catch them at Lowe's and Home Depot. So it has 2 teeth on the bottom and then 3 on the top. So you just find a spot. You want to feel where the little tab is and go in between the tab, and you just line it up, and you can just slide it over, miss the tab, and there you go. So bucket grips, put these, and now you've got 2 hands to carry that load, and it's so much easier on your body. Now, the next product that I found that I really was impressed with, again, many of you don't know, I am an RN, and I'm always thinking about body, safety, function. So this was great. This is Better Grip Paint Roller, this bright neon green, really cool product. So it is I would think of more of a ergonomic paint handle. So you have this handle that screws right into the handle here, so you can use it as a small handle, or you could put it on to the broomstick if you want to have a longer reach. But it allows you to hold it in different ways. But look at this. You take that handle off. It's got little finger spaces here. You can grip this, and you can go like this. So no more dealing with that funky, Y-shaped thing. This allows you to adapt and hold it. But you can buy the full kit that can adapt this to a 4-inch or an 18-inch roller. Really cool product. Check it out. I want you to try these products because I think anything you can do to get these projects around your house done faster and with less wear and tear on those weekend warrior bodies is always a good thing. So make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more products that I got samples of at the National Hardware Show. And the main reason I went out there was because I wanted to check out the scene, because I am working on a product line. And I intend to be out there myself next year selling my new line of DIY gear for homeowners.